Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. In case you're wondering why am I looking so crazy, that is because I'm excited to bring you my very first hair tutorial. So let's get right into it. Today I'll be showing you one of my all-time favorite to go updos. Okay, so this hairstyle is very easy. It takes you less than 5 minutes to get done, and yeah, I'm going to show you how to achieve that look. So you're going to need one of these. In case you're wondering what this is a stocking. What I did, I cut just 1 foot off the stocking, a black stocking, because my hair is black, so I needed to match my hair color. You're going to need some gel. You're going to need some gel, any gel that you prefer, but this is the one that I'll be using. And of course you're going to need some bobby pins, and you're going to need a brush, and you might need some accessories if you wish. So these are the accessories that I'll be showcasing. Show you how you can accessorize this look. All right, so let's get straight into it. My hair is already detangled and it's all ready to go. So first, what you want to do is get your hair detangled, moisturize. Then we're going to use our brush and just brush the bottom part of your hair. So we're going to brush it in upward motion right around, going right around, so it looks like this. Okay, then what you're going to do is you're going to use your stocking. And the reason why I'm using stocking is because it doesn't make my head hurt. It holds perfectly, and yeah, I think it's very easy to use. So what you're going to do is use your stocking for the foundation of this updo. All right, but first we're going to take some gel. Take some gel to secure the bottom part, your edges, to secure the edges right, going right around. So I'm gonna take some gel. You can use any amount of gel you wish, whatever amount holds your hair, going right around your edges like that. Then I'm gonna use the brush and brush in an upward motion. If you're realizing I'm not brushing all the way to the end, I'm just brushing to the edge, and I'm gonna brush going all the way around. And I finished brushing, and I like to see these waves, this wave pattern in my hair when I'm doing this updo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit more gel, and I'm just going to rub it in an upward motion without using the brush this time. So I won't use the brush again. I'm just doing that to create my wave pattern. I don't necessarily need it at the back, so I'm just going to focus on the front for the wave pattern. All right, so this is what it looks like. So that's what it should look like. So now that we're finished with our gel, you're going to take your stocking, okay, like this. And what you're going to do is that I won't make a knot. I'll just wrap it around and tuck it under at my second wrap. So I'm gonna start here. So I make sure that I get all the hair in. Okay, so what I do, I have my 2 strings and I'm going to do this at the back. That's it at the back. Come to the front and I pull it as tight as possible, and I'm going to use my fingers. I'm going to use my fingers and push it just to the edge, and I'm going to let the back do all the rest of the job. So I'm going to pull the back upward, and the front will oh, my hair is getting in the way. The front will automatically move. So I'm gonna pull it until it reach right here. I don't want it to go higher than that. I'm gonna leave it right here. I'm gonna pull this around, and then I'm gonna tuck this end underneath this one like this, and then I'm going to do the same to the other side. Pull this and then you tuck. There, the tuck is done. So this is what the foundation looks like. So I'm left with all this. Now that we've finished the foundation, we're going to work with all this. So now what you're gonna do is that you're going to take small sections of your hair, so I'm going to use about this amount for each section, about this. Okay, what you're going to do is twist around your finger like this, but you're going to twist loosely, so the bottom doesn't twist much. You want the twist to be mostly at the end. And what you're going to do after you finish twisting, you're going to pull it backwards and pin that in the middle of your head. I'm going to take another piece and pin it. You want to do that going right around your hair, pinning everything in the middle like this. Okay, so let's finish up. Don't worry about what the rows look like while you're pinning, because you're going to shape it afterwards. Just keep pinning until you finish everything. You shape it afterwards to make it the way you want it to be. Okay, so we're done pinning. When we finish pinning, that's what it looks like. Let me give you a close-up shot. Okay, now some may look bigger than the others. So now what you're gonna do is use your pin, and it's like you're going to join them together to make it shape really nicely like a crown at the top of your head. There you have it, guys. Simple and easy. Okay, so now I normally like to accessorize. You can just simply put a neat little rose right here. I think I need another pin right here. You can put a cute little rose here, or So there you have it, guys. Hopefully you enjoy my hair tutorial, and we have a lot more hair videos coming. Stay tuned, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.